Hello, show the equation. Here our equation x squared plus 9x squared divided by x plus 3 all squared equal 40. And now this multiply both sides of this equation with x plus 3 all squared. We get x squared times x plus 3 all squared plus 9 x squared equal 40 times x plus 3 all squared. And now we expand this, we get this x squared and forget x squared plus 2 times 8 times 3 plus 3 squares and plus 9 x squared equal 40. Forget x squared plus 2 times 8 times 3 plus 3 squares. We get this x squared and forget x squared plus 6x plus 9 and plus 9x squared equal 40. Forget x squared plus 6x plus 9 and we get x power 4 plus 6x power 3 plus 9x squared plus 9x squared equal 40 x squared plus 248 and plus this 360. And now I change it from the right hand side to the left hand side. We get this x power 4 plus 6 x power 3 and plus this 18 x squared and minus this 40 x squared minus 248 and minus 360 equal 0. Now we get the equation that is power 4 plus 6 power 3 and minus this I get it 22 x squared and minus 248 and minus 360 is equal 0. And now we use unity division. That's when I replace it by minus 2, I get this. If h equal minus 2, I get this. We get 16 and minus this 48 and minus this 88 and minus this plus 480 and minus 360 equals 0. And for now this we get this 496 and we get this minus 496 equals 0. And for now this is equals minus 2 is one factor of this equation. And now I divide this by unity division and to take it the factor. And so now this I write it minus 2 and we get this 1. Here is 6 and here is minus 22 and here is minus 240 and this minus 360. And now this we take 1 down and multiply with negative 2, we get negative 2 and we get 4. 4 times negative 2, we get negative 8 and we get negative 30. And negative 30 times negative 2, we get 60. And we get this minus its negative 180 and times negative 2 we get 360 and we get 0. So now we get the equation can be y x plus 2 and time this we get x power 3 and plus 4x and x squared and minus 38 and minus 80 180 equals 0. For this 8 power 3 plus 4x squared minus 30x minus 8 180 I replace it by 6. If 8 equals 6 you get this 2 216 and plus this I get is 6 squares. 6 square equal 36 and times 4. 36 and times 4 we get the 4 and 2 and this 144 and this minus 180 and minus this 180 equals 0. We get this 316 and minus this 360 equals 0. And also now this x minus 3 is one factors for this equation. And now I divide it by syntactic division. And I get this 6 and we get this 1 and this 4 and this minus 60 and minus 180 and I take 1 down and we get this 6 and this adding it we get 10 and time this we get 60 and we get this 60 minus 30 we get 30 and times 6 we get this equal 180 and now it's equal 0. So now our equation can be y 8 and plus 2 and multiply x minus 6 and multiply for this x squared and plus 10x and plus 30 and equal 0. For now we have the factors is equal 0. When the factors is equal 0 we get one factors is equal 0. Okay, now x plus 2 is equal 0 and x plus 6 equals 0 or x squared plus 10x and plus 30 equals 0. For this we get x equals minus 2 and for this we get x equals 6. For now this we use the formulas that x equals and minus for this 10 plus or minus square root for this 10 squares minus 4 and times 1 and times 30 and divide by 2 times 1 and we get this is equal is minus 10 and plus or minus square root of this 100 and minus 120 and divide by 2 and equal minus 10 plus or minus the square root of minus 20 and divide by 2 and this is equal this minus 10 plus or minus 2 square root 5i and divide by this yi and divide by 2 and we get this is equal minus 5 plus or minus square root 5i. Okay, now we get the solution is this h equals minus 2, h equals 6 and h equals minus 5 plus or minus square root 5i is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.